All right, so when we're going into different areas where we can't conceal carry, maybe you're not allowed to bring a firearm, you're not allowed to bring a knife. For example, an airport, a theme park, something like that. There's different things that we can use. Essentially, we call it upgrading our strikes. If I have the ability to put something in my hands that are harder than my hands that can make my strikes and my clinch work more effective, more devastating, then I want to do so. One of the go-to items that I like is a carabiner, right? Brass knuckles in many cases are illegal, but a carabiner is not. So a lot of times you can use a carabiner to carry your equipment. You can put your water bottle, whatever. This is a tool that is allowed almost everywhere, but if need be, if I need to make my strikes stronger and more effective, I can very simply take a carabiner and use that, and my hack strikes, my stabs, my punches, all this stuff becomes more effective because I have this here. My clinch work and all that becomes more, the pressure point types of clinching become more effective because, again, this metal is way harder than my hands. So there's a lot of different improvised weapons we can find, right? But we constantly want to think of what can I utilize to make my hands more effective and to make my strikes and my clinches more painful or more devastating to the person who's trying to attack me than just bare hands. So again, we want to look for items that we can upgrade our strikes with.